Welcome to our video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. What exactly is MFA? MFA is a login method where you enter a code in addition to your password, such as a one-time code from a smartphone. This one-time code is generated by a token, but more on that later. MFA protects your user account, known as RWTH single sign-on, from unauthorized access and is mandatory at RWTH. Now let's talk about these one-time codes. You obtain the codes from so-called tokens. The first token you need to set up is a TAN list. The TAN list is a password-protected PDF file containing 10 one-time codes. These one-time codes run out quickly, so they serve only as a backup. For daily use, we recommend the Authenticator app on your smartphone. It generates a new one-time code every 30 seconds. Let's start by setting up the TAN list. Please make sure you have a stable internet connection. All tokens are set up in the Token Manager. We recommend opening the Token Manager on your laptop or PC and installing the Authenticator app on your smartphone. First, click on the link below to open the Token Manager. You can also find the link in the video description below. Log in to this page using your RWTH username in the format AB123456 and the corresponding password. You are now in the Token Manager. Click on Create. Select TAN list one-time security codes. If you have not yet set up any tokens, you can only select TAN list at this point. Then click on Next. In the description field, you will find the automatically generated name of the TAN list with the current date. You can change the name if you wish. Choose a secure password. This is required to open the PDF file and cannot be changed later. The password must be at least 12 characters long and contain at least one letter and one other character, such as a number. Repeat the password in the field to the right. Click on Create and Download. The TAN list will be created and downloaded. Check if the file can be opened with the password you set earlier. Then click Next to complete the setup. You have created your first token and thus secured your RWTH single sign-on with an additional factor. The close plug icon indicates if the setup was successful. If not, please create a new token as described above and delete the token that was not created successfully. You are now back in the Token Manager. Let's now proceed with setting up the Authenticator app. The Authenticator app generates a new one-time code every 30 seconds. As an example, we'll show you how to set up the 2FAS Authenticator app. You can also use a different app, such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Download an Authenticator app and install it. Now go back to the Token Manager. Click on Create. Select Authenticator app, for example for smartphone TOTP. Then click on Next. In the description field, enter a name that is meaningful and unique to you. For our example, we'll use 2FAS. Click on Create. In the following window, a QR code will be displayed. Now open the Authenticator app on your smartphone. When you launch 2FAS for the first time, you can skip the welcome screen. Click on Pair New Service. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code from the Token Manager. A code will now be displayed in the Authenticator app. Enter this code into the field Security Code in the Token Manager. Now click on Finish. If the code expires, a new one will be automatically displayed for you to use. You are now back in the Token Manager overview and can see the tokens you have created, the TAN list and the Authenticator app. If you wish, you can set up additional tokens. Please ensure that the TAN list cannot be viewed by unauthorized third parties. If your smartphone is unavailable, you can use a code from the TAN list. Each code from the TAN list can only be used once. The TAN list is only a backup. Therefore, be sure to create a new TAN list in good time before all codes are used up. We hope we were able to assist you with setting up MFA. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, please feel free to contact our IT service desk at 0241 8024 680 via email at servicedesk@itc.rwth-aachen.de or via chat. You can also find a link in the video description below.